Hi, my name is Johnny Timmons. We're at MarineMax Houston in Seabrook, Texas. Today we're aboard our 2019 320 Sea Ray Sundancer. Now this is the first 320 Sea Ray Sundancer we've had in inventory. We'd love for you to come out and see it, so we're going to give you a quick preview of how we ordered the boat and how it came in. Nice sun pad area back here in the back of the boat. Plenty of walk room. 32-foot boat. Look at the size of the swim platform just for walking around and maneuvering. We did do the Fusion stereo back here. That way we've got a remote here, we can operate it inside. You can work it on your phone if you want to. These little nice inserts right there are fender clips. All we got to do is pop our fender in, fender's down and deployed. Now it's one of those marginal days where it's a high of 70, low of 50, so we've actually got some of the curtains on, some of the curtains off. Again, we did cognac interior, nice fridge combo right here. As well, we've got a Kenyan stove up on the top side, Corian countertops on top of that. Makes for a really nice clean area for a bar. Plenty of seating area here for your guests. You'll notice a nice little settee here, double berths up here. I'll open this up real quick. Two Simrad screens the way we ordered this boat, 12-inch and 12-inch glass. Now this is a stern drive option, so you're going to get the Axius combo unit. What the Axius does allow you to operate the boat and maneuver it right here with the joystick with the Bravo 3s. Skyhook's already built on where we can lock onto the satellite. Now we've got an autopilot feature right here. It's already built on the boat. And this works fantastic. Such an easy boat to dock with those Bravo 3s. Again, there's that Fusion that I was talking about earlier. That's for our stereo system. I'm going to work down real quick. And Carla, you probably stand right there and I can kind of show you the ropes. We've got a nice stand-up head. We've got a small aft berth back here for two. And then up forward, we got a nice lounge area. Now, we've got some options with this lounge area right here. We can lift it up, make a table. We can put the cushions down on top of it, make a nice lounge. Because still, we've got the berth back here in the back of the boat. From a galley standpoint, we're going to do a lot of entertaining on this boat in the back of the boat, but for down here, we've got a nice fridge. If we want to grab some water, we've got an area right here we can plug a coffee maker in, and then we've got our convection oven back here in the back of the boat. I'm going to come up with y'all. My favorite feature on the 320 Sundancer and what's really changed the market on this boat, look at this. Full walkability to the bow of the boat on a Sundancer. Look at the sun pad option, full hard top. Great place to lounge, hang out. I'm going to grab a seat right here just because it's such a nice day. My name's Johnny Timmons. We're in MarineMax Houston. We're aboard the 2019 32 Sea Ray Sundancer. I hope y'all stop by and see us pretty soon.